In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Amazon billing statement. First, make sure you're already logged into your Amazon account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Instead of clicking it right away, move your mouse over it and hover for a moment. A drop-down menu will appear beneath it. From that drop-down, click on Account. This will take you to your main account page, where Amazon organizes a lot of different settings and tools into tiles or sections. Take a moment to scroll through this page if you're not familiar with it. There are many options here, but for what we're doing, look specifically for the tile labeled Your Orders. Go ahead and click Your Orders. This page shows a list of all the orders you've placed on that Amazon account. By default, it usually displays your most recent orders first. If the order you're looking for doesn't show up right away, don't worry. At the top of the list, you'll see a drop-down that lets you filter orders by a specific time period, like the last 30 days or a particular year. Choose the range that makes sense for the order you want. You can also use the search bar in the top right of the Your Orders page. Type in a keyword, such as the product name, and press Enter. This can be especially helpful if you have a long order history. Once you've found the order you need, look at the top right area of that order's box or list view. There should be a link or button labeled View Invoice. Click on View Invoice, and Amazon will open the detailed billing statement for that order in a new page or tab. Here, you'll see the full order summary. This usually includes the date the order was placed, the order number, who it was shipped to, and the payment method used. You'll also see a breakdown of the charges, the item's subtotal, shipping and handling, the total before tax, estimated tax to be collected, any exchange rate or additional fees, and the final grand total. Below that, you'll find the item details, showing each product included in the order. You can review this information on screen, or use your browser's print, or save options if you need a copy for your records. And that's it. That's all you need to do to view your Amazon billing statement.